Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you what on the next update is coming for you. So currently I'm starting my server and letting create the default configs. And as you can see, here's the first change we have. We now have um, global PvP zone days and start hour, and the same for PvE. So basically what you can do now is you can enable both of them like so, and then have PvP only active. Let's wait until it's booted up. Okay, it's booted. Um, so let's say we want PvP only on the weekend globally and PvE uh, on the weekdays, like Monday to Thursday, like this. And we keep 0 to 24, of course. Simple like that. And yeah, then we going to reload the main config. And as you can see, our logo icon down here has changed to the PvP logo because our server is running currently on my local PC, and I did set it to Friday, which is in our config now. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. In our config, Friday is a PvP. So if we change now the time of the server or the PC where the server is running to like any weekday, let's choose the 6th April. No, let's choose the let's choose 7. That's today. Let's yeah, sorry. Like this, we have the shield icon right here. So now it's globally PvE. Today is Monday, that's PvE, right? Okay, fine. So now we can also do it vice versa. I'm gonna close this shit here. And then we going to open the main config for now. So this is basically working now. It is also working when we now set a zone right here. Add zone, test zone. Let's name it just test zone. Test zone PvP. Make it PvP. Let's make the radius like 100 meters at our position and save. So test zone, which is now here. We are inside. Zones do always overtake global settings. Now we go to the admin and go out of the zone, and you will see that we are getting PvE state in some seconds because global PvE is active. And now let's check if the throwing grenade into PvP zone is still working like it was before, because I had to change this also to the new global state changes. Normally this should get deleted now. Yep, it got deleted. We can change the we can check that in the mod logs. Why is it not working? Okay, as always, something is always not working. Then we go here to the logging, and there you can see explosion check. It landed in zone type 1, which is PvP, and the thrower was not in PvP, so it's false. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. You can see that it is working like it should. Also, I have fixed the issue with time zones. So if an American player comes to an European server, and the zone is only active, let's just simulate this right now. We go to the zones, and then we go to the zone we have created. Let's say this zone is only inactive on on Saturday. So on Saturday, this zone should not be visible for anyone. And now, yeah, so we reload zones. We stay here because for us it is Monday. So let's say our server, look, which has the date of Friday, right? Friday. So, sorry, which was now 11. So we are in European, which is the 11 one, the 11 April. The zone is still active, of course. But let's say on my second account right here. Okay, okay, this is bad. On my second account, it is already Saturday. So on the current version, which you guys do use, normally this player would not see the zone drawing on his map. So if we open on the map, the player is seeing the zone. Because the code was using for before the client date, so the client side date and timing for drawing zones. It's just for the drawing. The zone state changes and all that was mainly server-sided, or is server-sided, but yeah, I forgot to change that, so that currently a player from your American player, which is now on Saturday, where the zone is inactive, marked as inactive, would not see the drawing, right? Because for him it is inactive. But on the server side, it's still active. So he just doesn't see the cycle here. The cycle is gone, but the zone on the server is still there. This is fixed. Now he will see the drawing also, even if he is playing on a different time zone. Yeah, that's something I was not thinking about, but yeah, you can see that it is now indeed working. So this is the player which is on Saturday already, and here's the main, which is still on Friday, and it is also showing this off. This is finally fixed now. It needs a bit more testing, but yeah, as you can see, it is still working as it should work. Then also we had Trader Plus, for example. So let me check really quick. I believe it was up here somewhere. Here it was basic. Okay, here's the Trader Plus, for example. This is now currently PvP zone, global PvP, because we are on Friday, right? And our main config is set Friday to PvP. Now, if we add a zone here, for example, this is our trader zone, and we want it to be PvP safe zone. Get position safe. Now it's a safe zone, as you can see on the siren right here. And then you can't throw grenade, for example, right? The throwing is blocked in. Oh, that's the wrong one. The throwing is blocked in safe zones on my mod. So if you pick the grenade, we can't throw that. You can hear the key presses, right? I can't raise it to throw. Now this is a problem with Trader Plus and using the recipe. If we spawn now recipe new and we take it, oh, that's the wrong one, sorry. Recipe, which one is it? Oh, this one. So let me convert that. And then we pick it up again. Normally, if you throw that now, then the car spawns. In the current state, which is on Steam, this is not possible because I blocked everything that can be thrown. I made an exception for this, so if you press G now, we can throw only these recipes or receipts, whatever. And then it's spawning the car. So this is working for the safe zones and Trader Plus now. And also, yeah, you can now use, we have to go out here to use it. Let's go here. So the top right leaving zone is from Trader Plus. It has nothing to do with our mod. So let's spawn a hatchback here. And then from Trader Plus, we gonna spawn the car lock and the car lockpick now. Car lock. Oh. Car lockpick and car lock. Let's set the car lock, attach it. Alright, set a password. And then we pick the car lockpick. And we're going to lockpick the car from Trader Plus. And this will also now create a lockpick zone, as the same for expansion does. And it is broadcasting that Nature is currently lockpicking a vehicle. So this is also added. And then I fixed some potential crash issues and null pointer fixes. And that's basically it for now. As said, this needs a bit more testing. If everything is still working because of the zone changes I made for the different time zones. And yeah, hope you like it and see ya next time.